Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am back with another makeup tutorial today. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to be doing a series of festival looks, so this is another look. So let's get started with the tutorial. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Inglot eye makeup base. Stuff is really good. By the way, I have my my base done. I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes and a little bit of bronzing and highlighting towards the end. These paint pots, this product, the primers, they really help make your eye makeup last a lot longer. And also with this, your eyeshadows, the color looks a lot more vibrant, it looks a lot more brighter. I'm going to set that with bone color just all over the lid, just so it's set properly. Just pick up any soft brown in the crease. The highlight of today's look is not the color of the eyeshadows. I'm not playing around with the eyeshadows. Actually, why not just place it all over the lid? My bad. Not just the crease. Just going to place this soft brown all over the lid. Kind of like it. The highlight of the look, like I said, is going to be the colorful eyeliner we're going to put on today. Next up is a cobalt blue eyeliner. Oh, by the way, it's by Lakme. There we go. I love the color. I am going to pick it up with my own brush. This is a MAC 210, I suppose. I'm going to pick it up with my own brush. I don't like the brush that the product comes with. It's just not what I like. Very carefully. Fill that in. Looks good to me. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to pick up a medium brown and run it under the lash line. I don't want to do anything too crazy because I want the blue eyeliner to be the star. Nothing too crazy, nothing too over the top. Alright, I'm going to do white in the white eyeliner. You could even do a blue eye pencil instead of a white one, but I prefer doing a white since it opens up your eyes and it looks a lot brighter. I'm going to be doing a coat of black mascara. You can even put falsies on. But I think false lashes are going to take away from the look, and I don't want to hide the blue. I want the blue to pop through. So I'm going to avoid using eyelashes today. I'm just going to do a coat or two of a good mascara, the top and bottom lashes. I'm gonna wait for that to dry before I can go ahead and apply my mascara on the bottom lashes, otherwise it'll all mess up. Onto the face, and I'm not going to be doing a crazy contour, just a little bit of bronzing. Contour right down here. I'm going to pick up a smaller brush, do a little bit on the nose, just using the same bronzer. I'm not going to be contouring. Bronzer. Now for a blush, I can't decide what color. Maybe just do a little bit of peachy pink. I'm going to be doing highlighting. I usually like to mix a few colors. Top of the cheekbones. Smaller brush and highlight the brow bone. I'm going to finish off my lower lashes with a coat of mascara. Never forget to put mascara on your lower lashes. It just makes your eyes a lot more wider, looks open. Now for the lips, I'm going to keep it nude, like a pinky mauvey nude. I'm going to be wearing Twig by MAC. And in the center, I'll be wearing this Lancome lipstick in the shade 201, I suppose. I'll mention it in the description box below. This is a very, like a satiny, glossy pink. And last and not least, a setting spray. And that is it for the look. Didn't take too long, did it? And that is it for the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a try on yourself and do let me know how you liked it. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.